temperature gradient is stable across all zones.
Confirmed. The contraction phase looks perfect according to the chart.
Absolute conformance confirmed on all critical surfaces.
Excellent. The block is cleared for the next stage of production.
Check the final readings. We are at 0.5.
Perfect balance achieved.
Parameters look good for the run.
Confirmed. And the final hardness reading is exactly 60 HRC. Clearance on journal 3 is exactly 0.050 millimeters.
Confirmed. Logging the data now.
Check the deposition rate on layer 3. It's holding steady at 4.2 mils, right on target. The spec calls for 495.2. We're slightly over on this one.
Okay, targeting the small end pad.
We are within 1 CFM of the target specification.
Excellent. The breathing capacity is verified.
Check the protrusion on cylinder 3.
Reading 0.0025 inches. Within tolerance.
Cinematic wide shot of technicians installing high-volume oil pump and lubrication system components. Fast-paced, smooth camera.
Alignment confirmed on the dowels.
Beginning the 5-stage torque sequence now.
Stage 3 complete, moving to the final pass.
Pressure stabilizing at 40 psi.
Confirmed. Been documenting 0W40 synthetic.
Checklist confirmed. Approaching the quality gate. Copy that.
Doors are cycling open. Clear path to the dynamometer.
Torque sequence complete on mounts 1 through 4.
Harness connected, confirming continuity on all lines.
Okay, alignment is perfect. Proceed to pre-test diagnostics.
Fuel pressure stabilizing at nominal. Cross-checking channel 4.
Checklist item 42 complete. All parameters green.
Visual inspection confirmed. Test cell clear.
Check procedure step 4. We need 75 psi before fuel enable.
Rising rapidly now.
We have lubrication.
Oil pressure is holding steady, right on target.
Confirmed. Coolant temperature is stable. Looks like we have a successful first run.
Bearing temperatures stable at 1500 RPM. Initiating ramp to 4000.
Acknowledged. Oil pressure holding steady.
Approaching red line now. Check detonation.
Clear, holding steady. 455 horsepower confirmed. Right on target.
The data confirms the Euro 6 compliance.
We are also meeting the EPA Tier 3 standards.